My name is Garrett Gordon. I work here at Bellow Corporation. I've been here for 7 years, and I'm a manufacturing engineer. We specialize in modular welding and machining fixturing. It's a Akuma double column bridge style machine. It has a large machining area and a very open concept. We were trying to build our own solution to control where all of the chips were flying on our machine because it was an open table. And we came across Hennig. It started with wanting to have a better presentation on one side of the machine when we brought customers out to look at what we do. After that, we decided to talk with Frank at Hennig to discuss what we can do on the other end of the machine, which is where we came up with the roof bellow concept. The machine is so large that when we use our right angle drilling head, it had a tendency to arc the chips up over the wall that we had built. So we needed something that could kind of trap it. We needed some sort of roof, but on the west end of the machine, we also needed crane access, so we had to get in and out of the machine as well as have a roof. So we needed some sort of moving dynamic solution for that. So it allows us to get in and out of the machine with our crane. We load pretty large, heavy parts in there, so having crane access is critical. From that, we were able to solve, a lot of our chip control issues. After installing it, we've noticed it's a lot easier to keep the surrounding area clear. We have a pretty clean shop, and it really contains the mess to the machine, keeps all of our chips and all of our coolant from flying out everywhere. It's been a real good fit.